Hey, it's Shai Sarai, and welcome to my birthday vlog. We are here at Rattlesnake Ridge to go on a 2-mile hike, 4 miles round trip, so let's get into it. All right, so we just hit the 1 mile mark, halfway there, so let's keep going.
A few moments later.
Okay, it's officially raining. Whoa, we are really up high now. No trespassing sign? Who's going all the way down there? The trees are really thinning out, so we must be getting close. Look at this falling sign. I guess that's why some people don't hike, huh? Oh, I see stairs. Okay. Getting closer. Oh. Whoa. Yeah, that's a long way down. Okay. Here we go. Oh wow, so foggy. Man. Let me cold, but we made it. The view is so gorgeous, you guys. Definitely worth it, rain and all. I am so glad I spent my birthday morning out here. I'm gonna hang out for just a little bit more and see you guys back down at the bottom. Finally back. Let's stop and take a look at the lake before we leave. So cool. I can't believe we hiked all the way up there. Okay, so after the hike, I took some birthday pictures at the park. And we headed to dinner. This place was so nice. It was my first time being here. And they sat us right next to the window with a awesome view of Lake Washington. I love the lake. So we shared a prawn cocktail and a salad. I had these delicious lamb chops. Made my birthday wish, of course. And they gave us 2 different desserts, which, oh my gosh, was so good. And yeah, that's how my birthday went. Big shout out to all of my fellow Aries out there. Plus, thank you everyone for watching, and I'll talk to you soon, okay?